So I was recording, and evidently the magnet makes the phone turn off the recording or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, she's a beaut. Dual 4M voice coils and big old huge vents on the bottom there. Big hole in the bottom. It's really stiff too. Wow, look at that foam surround. That is huge. Well, we're gonna get this trusty old Radio Shack 8 out and stick this in its place. I'm gonna save y'all the gruesomeness of taking that out and putting that in, because I don't have a power tool right now. So seems when I bought the last tip for my screw gun, it was not a number 2 Phillips. It's some weird variety of Phillips, but alrighty. Let's get this sucker installed. See what she sounds like. We'll just run one voice coil for now. And hopefully this lasts more than like a day or two, like the Pyle did. I ran that thing for maybe 6 hours, and it was already revving. So hang in there. We'll come back at you with some more